Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to add the concert ticket. Start inside the email or event app where the receipt lives. Tap the Add to Apple Wallet button when you find it. That action creates a pass you can view anytime. Once done, make sure the pass shows the correct date, venue, and seat info. If fields are blank, return to the app and refresh the ticket. Keep the phone unlocked and wallet set to show on lock screen for fast entry. You should now open Apple Wallet and tap the pass to inspect everything carefully. Check the barcode, venue address, and gate. This prevents surprises at the door. If seat or time is wrong, return to the ticket provider and request an updated pass. Otherwise, tap the info icon and enable Show on Lock Screen and Notifications so it surfaces when you arrive. Once organized, optionally add the venue to maps for directions and check transit times. When you reach the entrance, present the wallet pass with your screen facing the scanner and keep brightness up. Some scanners need a direct view. If the barcode fails, open the original ticket app as a backup and pull up any order number. If the pass disappears or shows errors, restart wallet or the phone, then ask the box office to manually verify your purchase using your name or order number. If problems persist, the venue can reissue or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.